All right. Okay. I did drones in the United States. All right. What is drone? A drone is essentially an unmanned aircraft, meaning a person is not physically flying the plane. A drone is a flying robot controlled by a human using a controlled flight plan embedded in its software, and they are quote unquote the eye in the sky. Drones in the U.S. The United States will use drones if man-powered flight is too risky or difficult. They are huge in the warfare setting, providing troops with surveillance 24/7. And when used in warfare, they're used for UAVs. Why use drones? Low cost model plans, great for situations where a man-powered flight is too risky or difficult. They're able to fly lower and in more directions and easy to navigate in hard to access areas. When is the US using drones? So this is just anybody using a drone. The best time to use one would be during the day and when the sun is up. Um, Drones, just for the average or the everyday person, should be a bit worried about flying them in below 32-degree Fahrenheit weather. And drones can also fly in the rain and can even be submerged in the water. Where to use drones? Let's see. The at-home citizens that use drones are not allowed to fly over other moving vehicles. They're also not allowed to be above 400 feet in the air, and they are not allowed to fly over national parks, military bases, or ongoing. Um, Drones are not allowed to fly over other moving vehicles, and drones have law or low cost model plans, and you can fly a drone over 600 feet.